La, 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 la. In this short video, I'm going to give you the secret to playing bar chords, especially if you've tried before and not made it. You're going to see very quickly why. Your hand has to be preset before you actually arrive at the guitar. If you watch me here before, I'm not going like that. My hand is actually almost, the chord is almost there before I actually arrive on the guitar. So here's a very easy 4-step exercise that you can do in a couple of days that's going to help you to preset your hand correctly. And from then on, you're going to find bar chords much easier to play. Hold your hand out in front of you like this. Make sure it's turned out and clawed. That's step 1. Step 2, join your third and little fingers, as I'm doing here, near the tips, so that these 2 fingers feel like one. Step 3, pull the thumb and fingertips closer together. And step 4, bend your second finger only down a little. If I bring that to the guitar, can you see how it's preset? And it's very close. From there, I can just quickly fine tune to get the exact chord I need. And that shape, wherever I go on guitar, will give me most chords. To prove my point here, every top guitar player has to preset their hand and fingers before playing bar chords. There is no other way. I'm going to screen share for a minute and give you an example of one of so many different guitar players I could show you doing this, whether it's the Eagles or Jimmy Page. Today I've picked an outstanding guitar player. His name is Nick Schoen, not often talked about, but he was lead guitarist with a very famous band called Journey, and he also worked in Carlos Santana's band, so he is a top class guitar player. And if you watch the screen, you will see how his hand is preset. You can see it there now, how his bar chord is preset, even though he's not actually playing. He has it preset to start playing in a minute. And now he's playing the bar chord. So even at that level, they have to preset the bar chord, because there is no other way. That's the only way you can do it. So let's look at this exercise once more. 4 simple steps. Hold your hand out in front of you. Usually would be like this. Turn it out and claw it firmly. That's step 1. Step 2, join your third and little fingers near the tip. Step 3, bring your thumb and fingertips closer together. They look something like that. And step 4, pull your second finger only down a little bit. And you will see how close that is to a perfect bar chord shape before we arrive. Now, top guitar players can do the 4 instantly. Can you see what I've done? On my way up, I've done the 4. But you will have to practice them individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1. All in one go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1. So that if you're coming from C, you come straight in like that. Do you see the way the chord is preset before you actually land? That's the secret to playing bar chords. So hopefully you'll get to practice this before I see you on the guitar program, or while you're working from my book Barre Chords and Guitar, or on one of my support programs. I hope this helps, and we'll talk soon.